Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Confluent Cloud with Kafka Connect for CDC. Full guide step by step clearly. To configure Confluent Cloud with Kafka Connect for change data capture, begin by logging into your Confluent Cloud account. Navigate to the Kafka Clusters section in the dashboard. Select the cluster you want to use for your setup. Next, navigate to the Connectors tab. Click on Add Connector to begin the process. From the available connectors, choose the appropriate one for your CDC requirements, such as Debezium. Fill in the required configuration fields, starting with basic details like connector name and type. Specify the source database connection information, including host, port, username, and password. Ensure you set the database type, such as PostgreSQL or MySQL, based on your source. Enable the necessary replication options in the connector settings. Enter the specific table names you wish to monitor for changes. If needed, configure any additional settings for your requirements, like snapshots or inclusion/exclusion filters. In the Kafka section, define the topic names where your change events will be published. Review and confirm your connector settings. Click Create to deploy the connector to your Kafka cluster. After creation, monitor the connector's status to ensure it is running without errors. Check the logs for any potential issues during the initial startup phase. Once you confirm everything is functioning properly, you can begin consuming events from the Kafka topic. Set up a consumer application to read from your configured topics. Test the end-to-end flow by making changes in the source database and ensuring they appear in your Kafka topic. Identify any adjustments or configurations needed based on your testing results. Document your configuration and any challenges faced during the setup for future reference. Now you have successfully configured Confluent Cloud with Kafka Connect for change data capture. Consider exploring additional features and optimizations available in Confluent Cloud for enhanced performance. Monitor your system regularly to ensure continued success in CDC operations. Keep abreast of updates from Confluent to maintain compatibility and leverage new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.